Welcome and thank you for watching this video. I'm here to share my experience of my first Ganpati celebration. Since this is America, Ganpati idols do not really have vendors over here. I had to book my idol at the local Indian market over here in Orlando, and you have to be bare feet while carrying the idol. As you can see, I was super excited throughout the ride and I just could not stop smiling because there were so many childhood memories associated with this. Since this was our first time hosting Ganpati, we were not that experienced, so we had a pandit help us with the proper rituals of pran sthapana, which means until this particular ritual is done, the idol is still an idol. And pran sthapana means you are inviting Lord Ganesh's energy into your house and asking them to be part of your household. Arti is done twice a day, preferably before sunset. Our friends were super excited about this experience. After hosting Ganpati for 1.5 days, we decided to do Visarjan. I had to be super careful when getting down because sand and you're holding the murti, you don't want it to break on your way or anything like that. This is how it's celebrated in India. Everyone has fun. You're having fun when Lord Ganesh is coming to your house, and you're having fun when you are departing with him through the sea as well. You know, there's upbeat music, it's Bollywood music. It's just an amazing festival. You guys need to look up YouTube videos of how this is done in Mumbai, India. So before we depart for the last time, one last arti is done. Since it was windy over there, we had to be super careful and bring a lot of camphor with us. We also had to cover our diya to make sure that the arti was getting done properly, and it did get a little emotional. While we are departing, we chant the words Ganpati Bappa Morya, Pucha Varshi Lokariya, Ganpati Gile Gawala, Chen Padena Amala, which means please come back soon, we're restless without you. Before that, we have to turn back 3 times and we have to dunk ourselves into the water 3 times before we let go of the eco-friendly idol. But if you like this experience, do check out your local temple. That might be able to give you a much better explanation than I can at this point. And Lord Ganesh is known to be the remover of all obstacles. It doesn't matter what religion, race, creed, etc. that you come from. If you have the privilege of just having a look at the ceremony, it's considered very prosperous.